Hey, welcome back to part 3 of the unboxing review. There's 3 different loadouts. It's defensive, offensive, and there should have been some other one. Oh no, I'm sorry, I take it back. With this little feller, with COD, there's only 2 loadouts that you could use. Defensive and offensive. With Sitz gun, you had 3. You had defensive, offensive, and high precision launcher gauntlet. This one doesn't become any specialized super weapon. It's just offensive and defensive. With Six Shot, you had offensive, defensive, offensive, and defensive, and then you had this big super meta high particle cannon launcher thingy. Let's go with defensive loadout. So it's defensive loadout. We pretty much leave this as is. We just keep the arms off of him. So we leave him in vehicle mode and he's pretty much done. With this little fella here, we pretty much leave him like this, and then we just pull off the legs here. Actually, I think we flip them up and over like this. Okay. Then we pull off the legs. Let's get these little weapons off. Okay, then on the legs, we turn around, we take this, and we just bend that little wheel inward. And of course, repeat the process on the other leg. And now they are done. No hero titillation. Although they are painted down here for like an exhaust thruster, which is pretty cool. Let's weaponize Skytread. So they're saying, okay, I guess this goes like this. So we'll just take those and put them into his feet first. Like that. Take this, which I guess is supposed to be some kind of shoulder mounted thing. And that this thing just pops onto here, which I always say it working too good. Kind of looks like you have to bring the head up a bit. What are they showing? Okay, never mind. You're supposed to have it going on like this. Come on. Hard to kind of see the pad and the hole here. Doesn't really want to tab all that good in here. So yeah, you are unfortunately going to have to bring the head up. Even though they're telling you to keep the head... Oh no, the head is supposed to be up. No, the head's supposed to be tucked down, they're saying. But that doesn't really work, so pull it up, slap it on, then tuck it down. Okay, and then we take this, and we take just like this one, we take these, and we just tab them in like so, and then we flip out the little pad right here, and then we let's fold the wings, put it into the back, which these pads don't really like to put in onto the back of them. This one's actually doing pretty good a job. And where do those little guns go? Well, they just kind of go kind of wherever you want to. So we could kind of give him another gun that he could hold, and why not? Just pop this one into there, and then there he is, fully weaponized. Oh, the bat shoulder dual cannons, big giant shoulder pad shield, a handgun, a forearm gun, and giant feet visors. So what is all these little guns called and the weaponized modes and stuff? So let me just pull off a couple of them. So first up we have this little gun right here. This little feller is called RT-5 Circuit Welder. Oh, so you know what this one is? It's kind of like the repair blowtorch in Battlefield, like to repair like the vehicles and stuff. It's a little circuit blowtorch kind of thing. Strength is not that great. Let's see if we can get the can to focus in. There we go. I guess charging or range is there. Charging, next up is the hand shoulder, which is CHV Electro Scrammer. So I guess it's supposed to be like something to scramble like electrical interference and stuff. Then we have the foot part, which yes, the foot is apparently a weapon, which is CM3 FH Spectral